5 months ago, I rebuilt the engine in this. A 1989 Nissan Skyline. I did forged internals, ARP head studs, basically the whole 9 yards. But she has one major problem. She has a lifter tick. I reused the same 36-year-old lifters that I did. What? I reused the same 36-year-old lifters when I went back together with the engine. And now I'm paying the price. So what now? Do I really have to tear down the whole engine to replace the lifters? Well, yeah. It may seem like a lot, but I really don't think it's that big of a deal. I've actually rebuilt this engine twice before. Don't ask. Now all that's left, I gotta buy some lifters.